Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Bond Financial Technologies Review My Usage Experience. Bond Financial Technologies Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for analyzing and comparing different financial technologies, specifically bonds. It aims to help investors, financial analysts, and students research and understand the bond market by providing data, analysis tools, and potentially educational resources. Their website provides details on the specific features and data offerings. Their website highlights the depth of their bond data, claiming comprehensive coverage across various markets and maturities. They emphasize ease of use and intuitive navigation through their platform, promising pricing transparency with clear and upfront fees. They don't explicitly mention specific technology, but the focus is on providing accurate and timely data analysis. Availability is likely dependent on subscription level. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Bond Financial Technologies Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. After signing up for a trial, I was able to access the platform immediately. The interface was initially a little overwhelming, with numerous charts and data points, but I quickly adapted to it. I used the platform to compare different corporate bonds, specifically focusing on their credit ratings and yields. The filtering and sorting options were particularly useful, allowing me to easily isolate the bonds matching my criteria. The platform's performance was excellent, data loaded quickly, and the charts were dynamically updated. I had a quick question about a specific data point and their support responded within 2 days via email. I was really impressed by how comprehensive the data was and the ability to easily download it in various formats. One minor drawback was the lack of real-time data updates. It seemed to lag by about 15 minutes. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Bond Financial Technologies Review. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and provided valuable insights. That's my overview of Bond Financial Technologies Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.